Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan, mga Zai and Zong. Katatapos lang namin kumain. Balik na ako sa room. Kay grabe, kabusog na ko. Hala, uy, para akong malilipong sa busog. Pwede palang mag-picnic dito dayo. Kung gusto nyo, mag-picnic kayo dito. Ayan, may nag-picnic. Ang ganda naman, day. Hello. It's very chill and relax. So, balik ako sa room mag-charge. Tapos, lalabas tayo mamaya mga alas 5 siguro. Ay, kasi walang TV sa room, day. Iba sila dito. Iba yung pina-priority nila sa kanilang mga room. Kaysa maglagay-lagay ng TV, di ba? Ang ganda ng garden. Per garden ng kanilang room. Every room. Kaihion ako. Tingnan nyo yung isa, oh. Yung panty niya, day. Nilagay niya lang dyan. Ay, nakanimudodong. So, ayan mga Zai and Zong, andito kami ngayon sa room, nakabalik. Grabe, binuksan na namin lahat dahil kay di makaya, init pala itong ganito, no? Tignan nyo mga ante. Ang dami nilang pinya, dai. Wow, ang ganda naman ito, dai. Kaya silang pinya, tinanggalan nila ng matulis na matulis na dyan sa yung tumoy ba, para pag dadaan sila maglinis, hindi sila matusok, day. Ang ganda naman yan, eh. Then doon sa baba makita natin yung ocean. Nakita nyo na to? Ay, may nagbilang ka dito, day. Yun, may bougainvillea. Ganda dito. And then itong heater, nagpa-heater pa ka, day. Cooler namin, parang lumalaban naman siya. Sobrang nilapit na namin to sa aming sarili. Pero hindi siya as in kuan juday kanang as in cool jud ang labas niya. Hello. Ayan, andito kami ngayon sa where are we, my love? Where are we?
We are near Chittaganga.
Chittaganga.
That's the nearest famous place to here. It's about 5 kilometers from here.
And then we stop
from
over.
Lapura, Chittaganga, that area. Here's Mount Agum that we cannot see for the clouds.
Nag-drinks muna kami mga Zai and Zong. Tapos yan yung view natin dito. Tignan nyo nga naman yung view natin, day. It's very viewpoint.
Excuse me, sir. I am just worried about your back.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light, let Him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today. Oh,
So, hello mga Zai and Zong. Finally, andito na kami sa tarungin mo nga pag-pronounce in Dayane, Tiraganga. Nandito na kami sa Tiraganga. Tapos nagstay kami sa walk-in hotel lang mga Zai and Zong. And then sobra na-amaze kami Zai. Ang pangalan ng hotel is Ayo Hotel. And then tignan nyo nga naman yung view Day, oh. Ayan yung view nila dito Day. Oh my gosh. So, dito kami ngayon sa restaurant. Ayan yung view natin dito, Zai. Pwede tayong maglakad-lakad dyan. Hala, parang gusto ko dito, Day. Pero mamaya na sigurong hapon. Daming fish, oh. Peaceful talaga ang buhay dito, Day, kasi ang daming fish. Pwede kang maligo doon, Day, oh, sa holy water. Pwede tayo maligo. Hi, sir. Have you been here? Have you been here?
Before?
Oh,
Yeah, just down there.
oh really?
Many years ago.
Many years ago. So, Mama, she been here?
No.
No? Okay. So, yung view natin, Day. Cool. Ang daming, let me see the...
Oh, no villa in that one. Oh, it's a big project.
Ang daming tourist
Different
dito.
passports for different places here.
Hello mga Zai. Welcome back to the vlog. Good morning. Ayan. Tara sa restaurant. Mag-ano tayo? Mag-breakfast. I mean, I'm not sure kung anong oras ang breakfast day, but let's see. Punta tayo doon. Si Dudong ba kay manglak na dayon og pultahan wa pagay ta ka labigar. So alam niyo ba, i-chika ako sa inyo. Ang aga niyang gumising day. Kaya na-make sure siya, alas 5, 5:30, nagpa-alarm siya day. Ang ending, wa siya yung nakuha day, wa nag-video kay, unsa ni cloudy daw. Ada, bahala ka day, ikaw pa nagpasayo-sayog, ikaw bitaw nagsayog. And then, hindi na ako makatulog. So, ang ginawa ko day, nag-shower ako. Kaya maaga tayong nakaligo ngayon. So, ito yung garden restaurant nila dito. Punta tayo doon sa restaurant. Actually, upo lang tayo. I'm not sure kung open na ba. Morning. Tignan nyo nga ito. Hardworking kay siya day. Alazang 24/7. Hala oy foggy. Ay kuan siya day. Smoky. Ano si smoky eh? There's a smoke. There's a smoke.
Smoky.
Yeah. It's really smoky. Nah, you can't see Agong. You feel like you're in heaven now. Are you in heaven?
No, there's no smoke in heaven. Only judge smokes.
Ayan, mga Jai and Zong. Breakfast time. Ito na yung breakfast natin. Ang oras pala mag-open sila is 7. So, kami pa yung pinakauna na customer dito, day. Nara ako ang kuan, oh. Round, this one, day, I've been ako kuan. It's just the same. My love, why you have... I have this one already. I don't like that. Kain, my love. Bon appetit. Oh, but Zai? Tawa mo ko ninyo, Zai, oy. But at least it's worth it, yeah? Mami, lagi namang fried egg, my love. My love, can we swap?
What?
One fried egg and then one of this. Swap. Bon appetit. What time they open? Oh, it's open already for a tourist.
Yeah. It's open all the time.
No, not for the tourists.
Because the door was open down there and I got up 6 o'clock.
So, let's go mga Zai. Hello, sorry.
It's actually how to turn this off, you know? This one?
So, mga Zai and Zong, hindi na ako bumalik sa room kasi itong isa gusto niyang hala, init siya dahil. And then, gusto ko sanang mag-sunglasses. Tignan niyo, oh, ang fish, oh. Paayo. Oh, are you hungry?
Yeah.
Oh, look so hungry. Look so hungry, baby. You're hungry. Dagkuas isda o na tilapia. Ay tilapia day. You go down and change money and then get a boat there. Mag-ano kami, mag-ride a boat. Ayan, ito yung paglabas ng ating hotel. Ito yung ano nyo makikita. Comment down below kung gusto nyo tong ganito, day. Hello. Maganda dito mga antikadayas. Ang hotel namin, paglabas nyo is ano na. Yan na yung makikita nyo. Doon tayo, oh, marami mga Instagrammable chorbalo. Where is that boat, my love? Hindi na ako bumalik sa room. Wala akong sunglasses. So, wala pa ni day. Gusto ko mapalit og kalo. May breakfast din dito. Tacos. Ayun day, oh. Ang ganda. Ganda naman dito, day.
Can you buy me food? Mama, do you something to How much? 5?
Tera.
5?
Terta Ganga.
I got small. How much is one for the food? How much for the food?
So, ayan na guys. May ano pa kami. 40, 20. 20. Oh my God.
Oh, yes.
Be careful.
Yeah, thank you. This is that?
Oh. Ang daming isda. Magpa-photo tayo dyan mamaya, day. Ang ganda dito, day. It's very art.
Good. 20,000 per person.
Yes.
I can see you far and wide across the ocean, above the clouds. In your presence I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. Right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up. 'Cause no one else can make me love like you. You give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong. I can feel you in the sunlight and through the cold nights. When I close my eyes, I am walking, oh Lord, beneath the starlight, a love so pure. Now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am.
And you move it around. Annie, look here. Now another bridge. No, it's filming. Oh, Rialto in Venezia.
One roll, finito.
And me too.
Look, the number it is running.
Hello.
Ngalin.
Hello people, good afternoon. Good afternoon people. Ayan, punta tayo sa restaurant day kay si Dodong. Na-miss niya daw ako day. Ay, haway po na niya atong lalabs. Ay, haway po niya atong bana day nga. Naraman unta miss dool no, pero na-miss daw po niya day. Ay, nako. Kagabi pala nag-inom ako ng hello. Naglinis sila day. Kagabi nag-inom pala ako ng magnesium. Wala lagi tao. Bakit walang aray? Walang katao day. Ay. Mingaw naman dito day. Free dessert mga zay. Ice cappuccino.
I don't want fried vegetable, I want fresh vegetable, unfried.
You're where I belong.